Muhammad Ali, Mir Qasim. Mir Abdul Latif is the right answer. A. Where did Sannyasi rebellion take place? Manipur, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Bengal. Bengal. D is the right answer. Who founded Belur Math? Rabindranath Tagore, Swami Vivekanand, Dayanand Saraswati, Jyotiba Phule. Swami Vivekanand. Nag Bhatt first was the founder of which dynasty? Gurjara Parthira dynasty or Satavahan dynasty, Shunga dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Gurjar Partihara dynasty. Nagbhat first. Who built the temple of Kendariya Mahadev? King Yashovarman, Chol Gangadev, Krishna II, Krishna first. King Yashovarman, Kendariya Mahadev. Who designed the Jain temple of Dilwara? Vastupal, Anangpal, Sumitpal, Dharmpal. Vastupal is the right answer. A. The Konark Sun temple was built by Narsimhadev first, Pol Gangadev, Krishna Pratham first, Yashovardhana. Narsimhadev first. A. When was fire invented? Historical period, Neolithic period, Paleolithic period, none. Paleolithic period. C is the right answer. Lothal was the main port of which valley? Mohenjo-daro, Indus Valley, Kashmir Valley, Himachal. Indus Valley. Who was the imprisoned by Aurangzeb in Agra fort? Shah Jahan, Babur, Dara Shikoh, Humayun. Shah Jahan. Which Mughal ruler was coronated twice? Akbar, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan, Dara Shikoh. Aurangzeb. Which Mughal ruler gave the death penalty to Guru Arjan Dev? Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan, Babur, Jahangir. Jahangir is the right answer. D. Which coin was minted by Iltutmish? Brass tank, silver tank, gold tank, copper tank. Silver tank. B. Salim was the childhood name of which Mughal ruler? Babur, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan. Jahangir. C is the right answer. Which Mughal ruler is known as Shah-e-Bekhabar? Bahadur Shah first, Akbar second, Aurangzeb, Babur. Bahadur Shah first. Who is the son of Aurangzeb? Where did Sher Shah Suri die? Kalinjar, Patna, Varanasi. Kalinjar. A. Who is considered to the second founder of Maratha state? Balaji Vishwanath, Shahji Bhosle. Balaji Vishwanath is the right answer. A. Who was the compiler of Adi Granth? Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Angad, Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Har Gobind. During which ruler Hurriya started the postal system in India? Sher Shah Suri, Jahangir, Akbar, Babur. Sher Shah Suri. At the time of Sher Shah Suri, postal system in India started. Hurriya. Who founded the city of Agra in 1504 AD? Shah Jahan, Sikandar Lodi, Aurangzeb, Behlul Lodi. Sikandar Lodi. B. Which Mughal ruler's tomb is in the Matil Dome? Akbar, Babur, Jahangir, Shah Jahan. Jahangir. C. Who was the original name of Ramchandra Pandurang? तानसेन, तुकाराम, तात्या टोपे, शाहजहां. Tatya Tope is the right answer. Which ruler is known as Ashok II? हर्षवर्धन, कनिष्का, समुद्रगुप्ता, श्रीगुप्त. कनिष्क अशोक II कहलाता है. कनिष्क is also called Ashoka II. Which musical instrument was invented by Amir Khusro? Flute, tabla, dawn. Tabla. When did the third battle of Panipat take place? In 1761, 1526, 1556, 1768. 1761 A. The first battle of Panipat 1526, second 1556, and third one is 1761. Who was the birth of modern education in India? Lord Ripon, Lord Curzon, Charles Grant, William Jones. Charles Grant credited the modern education in India. The father of English education in India is William Jones, Lord Macaulay, Ripon, Curzon. Lord Macaulay, B is the right answer. Who started subsidiary treaty in India? Canning, Freezing, Lord Wellesley. Lord Wellesley is the right answer. Who is the originator of Gurmukhi script? Guru Angad, Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Har Rai. Guru Angad. A. Who was the founder of Ajmer? Dharampal, Ajaypal, Surendrapal, none. Ajaypal, Ajmer, Ajaypal. Akal Takht who founded? Guru Har Gobind, Guru Gobind, Guru Angad, Guru Arjan Dev. Guru Har Gobind. A. Krishna Dev Rai was a contemporary of which ruler? Babur, Jahangir, Akbar, Humayun. Babur, Krishna Dev Rai in south. A. Who was the compiler of Adi Granth? Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Har Gobind, Guru Har Rai, Guru Nanak. Guru Arjan Dev. Which Sikh Guru established Amritsar city? Guru Ramdev, Guru Gobind, Guru Ramdas, Guru Gobind, Guru Nanak, Guru Har Rai. Guru Ramdas is the right answer. A. How many rulers ruled in the Mughal dynasty? 15, 5, 10, 8. 15. A is the right answer. Begum Akhtar is related to classical dance, flute playing, classical singer, tabla player. Classical singer. C. Mrinalini Sarbhai is related to dance, music, journalism, sports, dance. Which ruler had the highest number of mansabdars? Aurangzeb, Akbar, Shahjahan, Humayun. Aurangzeb. A is the right answer. When did Mahmud Ghaznavi attack Somnath temple? 1035, 1025, 1028, 1029. 1025, and last attack was 1027. Who formed the Ikta army? Balban, Iltutmish, Ibrahim Lodi, Behlul Lodi. Iltutmish, Ikta. Iltutmish is the right answer. B. Which city is called the Siraj of the East? Patna, Banaras, Allahabad, Jaunpur. Jaunpur is the right answer. D. The first Afghan ruler who ascended the throne of Delhi? Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi, Behlul Lodi. Behlul Lodi. Hampi is situated on the bank of which river? Narmada, Tapti, Krishna, Tungbhadra. Tungbhadra is the right answer. Who was the last Nawab of Awadh? Sirajuddaulah, Wajid Ali Shah, Bahadur Shah Zafar, none. Wajid Ali Shah. B. Who came to India first? Dutch, Portuguese, Mughal. Portuguese. B is the right answer. Which religion did Chandragupta Maurya embrace in his last days? Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Buddhism, Sikhism. Jainism. Buland Darwaza is located Agra, Allahabad, Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri. C is the right answer. Where was the capital of Maharana Ranjit Singh? Lahore, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Amritsar. Lahore. A is the right answer. During whose reign did the Chinese traveler Wen Seng came to India? During whose regime did the Chinese traveler Wen Seng came to India? Kanishk, Harshvardhan, Samudragupta, Prithviraj Chauhan. Harshvardhan. B is the right answer. Which society was founded by Atmaram Pandurang? आत्मीय सभा, प्रार्थना समाज, ब्रह्म समाज, सत्य शोधक समाज. प्रार्थना समाज. आत्माराम पांडुरंग. What was the original name of Birbal? Mahesh Das, Ramatanu Pandey, Gopal Das, Vishnugupta. Mahesh Das. Who is called Nana Sahab? Balaji Bajirao, Madhav Rao, Bajirao first, Balaji Vishwanath. Balaji Bajirao is the right answer. A. Which ruler spent last time in Shravanbel Gola? Ashoka, Kanishka, Chandragupta Maurya, Sirigupta. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Who accepted Jainism? Who was the exponent of Yoga Darshan? Patanjali, Gautam, Kapil Muni, Rishabdev. Patanjali is the right answer. A. To which religion is the word Khalsa associated? Buddhism, Hinduism, Sikhism, Christianity. Sikhism. Who was the founder of Banaras Hindu University? Madan Mohan Malviya, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. Madan Mohan Malviya. A. Ibn Battuta came to India during Akbar, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Ibn Battuta. B. Right answer. Sign currency was first introduced in India by symbolic currency. Shah Jahan, Balban, Firoz Shah, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. D. Tulsidas was a contemporary of Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Sikandar Lodi, Akbar. Akbar is the right answer. D. Buddhist education is mentioned in Quran, Bible, Tiripitaka. Tiripitaka is the right answer for Buddhist religion. When did Akbar start the Deen-e-Ilahi religion? 1582, 1584, 1588, 1592. 1582 is the right answer. What was the treaty between the British and Sirajud-Dawla? Alinagar, Allahabad, Madras. Allahabad is the right answer. B. Amravati Buddhist Stup is located in which state? Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the right answer. C. Who gave the slogan of Vedas and returned? Vinoba Bhave, Mahatma Gandhi, Dayanand Saraswati, Tilak. Dayanand Saraswati. Who was the editor of Indian Mirror? Indian Mirror. Yeah, Indian Mirror, or you can say Darpan, Bharat Darpan, Bharat Darpan. Indian Mirror. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Jyotiba Phule, Kesav Chand Sen, Tilak. Kesav Chand Sen is the right answer. Who was originator of Shuddhi movement? Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekanand, Swami Shraddhanand. Dayanand Saraswati. Ajanta cave are related to which religion? Jain, Christian, Sikh, both. both. Who is the author of the book Mritshaktikam? Bhas, Shudrak, Narayan Pandit. Shudrak is the right answer. B. The tax called Chauth was collected by Maratha, Mughal, Lodi, Kushan. Maratha. A is the right answer. Bindusar was the ruler of which dynasty? Kushan, Maurya dynasty, Sung, Mughal dynasty. Maurya dynasty. He was the father of Chandragupta Maurya. He was the son of Chandragupta Maurya and father of Ashoka. Kanishka was the famous ruler of which dynasty? Maurya, Kushan, Sunga, Mughal. Kushan dynasty. B. Great ruler of Kushan dynasty. During whose regime was the first Buddhist council held? Ashok, Kanishk, unknown enemy, Kalashok. Kalashok, Ashok, Kalashok, Ashok and एक बज करके 1:04 पे गड़बड़ हो गया. In which state is Ropar the site of Harappan civilization associated? Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Pakistan. Punjab is the right answer. When did the Battle of Plassey take place? 1764, 1757, 1761, 1769. 1757. Buxar, Battle of Buxar is taking place, has been taken at the time of 1764, on the date of 1764. So, who was the founder of Haryank dynasty? Haryank dynasty. Bimbisar, Shishunag, Chandragupta, first Srigupt. Bimbisar, Haryank dynasty. Where was the capital of Shursen Mahajanpada situated? Mathura, Delhi, Vaishali, Sravasti. Mathura, Shursen, Mathura. Who is the author of Panchtantra? Where not? Who is the author of Panchtantra? Jayadev, Vishnu Sharma, Kalhan, Bhas. Vishnu Sharma. Which ruler built Shiri Fort? Alauddin Khilji, Firoz Shah, Sikandar Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi. Alauddin Khilji. Which ruler got the Krishna temple built at Ellora? Krishna first, Raj second, Narsimha Varman first, none. Krishna first. Who was the Nagarjuna? Buddhist philosopher, Jain monk, Sufi saint, Hindu philosopher. Buddhist philosopher. Now proceed. Who was Nagarjuna? Buddhist philosopher. I will just answer now because I will have to complete in one video also. So let's proceed. Known as the Mad King. Mad King is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Where did the Aryan come from? Aryan come from Central Asia. A is the right answer. What was the original name of Sher Shah? Sher Shah Farid Khan. Who became the successor of Aurangzeb? Bahadur Shah first. Also repeated these questions. And which Sikh Guru built the Golden Temple? Guru Arjan Dev. Right philosophy, right knowledge, right conduct are the gems of which religion? Jainism. Gopat is the Brahmin text of which Veda? Atharva Ved. Gopat Atharva Ved. Which was the official language of the Gupta period? Sanskrit. A is the right answer. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is our birthright? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C is the right answer. Khurram was the childhood name of which ruler? Shah Jahan. C. When did Mahmud Ghaznavi last attack on India? 1027. 1027. The time of which Mughal ruler is called Golden Age in Hindi literature? Akbar. The regime of which ruler is called the Golden Age of the Mughal period? Shah Jahan. C. Which society is called the Brahm Samaj of the South? Ved Samaj. Which Mughal ruler is called the National Emperor? Akbar. B. Who is considered the first historical emperor? Chandragupta Maurya. B. Which Mughal ruler tried to stop the practice of sati? Akbar. A. Abdul Rahim Khan Khana was the famous quote Hindi poet of Akbar. B is the right answer. Where was the great philosopher Socrates? Greece. A. Ashtadiggaj lived in the court of which ruler? Krishnadev Rai. With which religion was the word Kavivalya related? Kaivalya related. Jainism. Kaivalya, Jainism. Whose slave was Qutbuddin Aibak? Muhammad Gauri. Who is called the father of Indian awakening? Rajaram Mohan Rai. What was the minimum age limit to join the Buddhist Sant? 15 years. Where is Akbar's tomb located? Sikandra. C. When was the Taj Mahal built? 1653. D. Who was the founder of Rashtrakoot dynasty? Danti Durg. A. Who was the Magad Empire at the time of Third Buddhist Council? A. Ashoka. Where was the second Jain council held? A. Vallabhi, Gujarat. Where was the fourth Buddhist council held? Kundalwan, Kashmir. Who was the ruler of Magad at the time of the second Buddhist council? A. Kalashok. Ajatasatru, Kalashok, Ashok. Ajatasatru, Kalashok, Ashok. Who was the founder of slave dynasty? Qutbuddin Aibak. C. Iltutmish belonged to which dynasty? Slave dynasty. When was the first Buddhist council held? 483 BC. Who built Vishnupad temple? Rani Ahilya Bai. Who founded the city of Amritsar? Guru Ramdas. A is the right answer. Which Guru started the Panch Pyara system? Guru Angad. A. Which religion is Lumbini related to? Buddhism. A. Which ruler kept religion separate from the politics? Alauddin Khilji. Who wrote the history of India on the wall of cellular jail? Veer Savarkar. What was the prime minister called during the regime of Mughal Emperor Akbar? Lawyer, Vakil. Who was the devotee poet who did not oppose idol worship? Ruskin. What was the language of Sangam literature? Tamil. Forgiveness is the festival of which religion? Jainism. When did Muhammad Ghaznavi last attack on India? 1027. Who is the lead artist of producing Mayur Singhasan? Babadal Khan. A is the right answer. Which Mughal ruler donated land to build the Golden Temple? Akbar. Where is Mughal Garden located? In Rashtrapati Bhavan. From which Upanishad is Satyameva Jayate taken? Mundakopanishad. B. Which ruler built the temple of Khajuraho? Yashovarman, who is considered the founder of Muslim state in India? Muhammad Gauri. In which book the teaching of Buddha have been compiled? Sut Pitak. Who started the Navroz festival? Balban. When was the Treaty of Basin signed? 1802. Who designed the Taj Mahal? Ustad Isa. Who was the religious guru of Shivaji? Guru Ram Das. Who built Agra Fort? Akbar. Who is the author of book Akbarnama? Abul Fazl A. Who wrote the book Tughlaqnama? Abul Fazl. How many verses are there in Rig Veda? 1028. Who is the author of the book Meghdut? Kalidas. Who was the last Mughal ruler to sit on the peacock throne? Muhammad Shah Rangila. At what age did Akbar ascend the throne? 13. Who is called Mahaparinirvan in Buddhism? Death. When did Muhammad bin Qasim invade in India? 712. Where was Jesus Christ born? Jerusalem. What was the name of Aurangzeb's father? Shah Jahan. Noor Jahan was the wife of which Mughal ruler? Jahangir. Tipu Sultan was the ruler of Mysore. His father's name was Hyder Ali. Who founded the Maurya dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya. Which river is mentioned most often in Rig Veda? Indus. Tantra Mantra is mentioned in which Vedas? Atharved. When did Hijri Samvat start? 622. What metal were the Harappans unfamiliar with? Iron. A. Where do we get information about 16 Mahajanpad? Anguttar Nikaya. A. Which was the fall city of the Indus Valley civilization? Lothal. A. Waterfall. Which is the Veda of prose and poetry? Yajurved. Which river is considered holy in Rig Veda? Saraswati. Who is the main deity mentioned in Rig Veda? Indra. Who led the English army in the Battle of Plassey? Robert Clive. Which Mughal ruler was born in 1508? Humayun. When did the Kalinga war take place? Kalinga war takes place 261 BC. 261 BC. When did Aurangzeb conquer Bijapur? 1686. After which was Mughal ruler was established in India? First Battle of Panipat. Ambassador of James I, who was in the court of Mughal Emperor Jahangir, that is William Hawkins. In which inscriptions did Ashoka mention his name as Ashoka? Maski and Gurjara. Where was the capital of Awadh before Lucknow? Faizabad. Who was the first Afghan ruler? Bahlol Lodi. Which poet is called Adhikavi? Adhikavya. Valmiki. Mitakshara is related to which method? Hindu. Mitakshara is related to Hindu. Who is considered the most controversial ruler in medieval history? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. In which style the Sangam literature was written? Poetry style. Ravi Kirti was the court poet of which ruler? Pulkeshin II. From which mine was the Kohinoor diamond found? Golconda. The first ruler of the Delhi Sultanate who made Delhi his capital, Iltutmish. Which is the oldest Brahmin text? Taittiriya Sintapat and Kaustiki. Sintapat. When did the Arab first attack in India? In 712 AD. Muhammad bin Qasim. Vinay Patak is related to which religion? Buddhist. Asht Pradhan was in the cabinet of which ruler? Shivaji. Ashtadiggaj in south. When was the Treaty of Allahabad happened? 1765. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Delhi? Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutub Minar was built in whose memory? Bakhtiyar Kaki. Kanishk was the great ruler of which dynasty? Kushan dynasty. Who is called the hateful coward of the Mughal dynasty? Farrukh Ghirnit Kayer. Who is given the name of the second Taj Mahal? Bibi ka Maqbara. C. In which state is the statue of Gomteshwar situated? Karnataka. Who built Jama Masjid? Shah Jahan. Which dynasty issues maximum gold currency? Gupta dynasty. Vishnu Gupta was the last ruler of which dynasty? Gupta dynasty. Who was the founder of Nalanda University? Kumar Gupta. Hari Sen was the court poet of which ruler? Samudragupta. Which ruler died while playing Chaugan? Qutbuddin Aibak. Where did Mahavir Swami attain Nirvana? Pavapuri. Maro Firangi Ko is the statement of which great person? Mangal Pandey. Who founded the Pal dynasty? Gopal. Which Gopal and Dharmpal has been established a university. Which Mughal ruler is called illiterate emperor? Akbar. Who was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Ibrahim Lodi. What was the first sermons of Gautam Buddha called? Dharm Chakra Parvartan. Who first used gunpowder? Babar. Who built the first tomb in India? Iltutmish. When did Vasco da Gama come to India for the second time? 1502. Who called himself the second Alexander? Alauddin Khilji. The Treaty of Rangpatnam was terminated in 1792. The book named Siu Ki was written by Huan Sang. Whose real name was Juna Khan? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Whose work is Tarikh-e-Firoz Shahi? Ziauddin Barni. Who is the author of Kam Sutra? Vatsyayan. Who was the author of the book Raj Tarangini? Kalhan. Who is the author of famous book called Satyarth Prakash? Dayanand Saraswati. Amir Khusru was the court poet of Alauddin Khilji. When was Gautam Buddha born? 563 BC. When did Shak Samvat start? Shak Samvat start 78 AD. The 2.5 day long Jhopra Masjid was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. आधा दिन का 2.5 दिन का झोपड़ा. Diwan Khas in Agra Fort was built by Shah Jahan. Who built the Konark Temple? Narsimha first. Mughal dynasty who founded? Babar. Raja Ram Mohan Rai founded the Brahm Samaj in 1828. Atmiya Sabha was formed by Raja Ram Mohan Rai in 1815. Which is the oldest memory book of India? Manusmriti. In which century Sikhism was introduced? 15th century. Who became the successor of Qutbuddin? Aram Shah. Who established the 4 monasteries in India? Shankaracharya. What was the language of ruler of Chol dynasty? Tamil. Tobacco cultivation was started during the time of which Mughal ruler? Jahangir. In which period there was a religious tax? Sultanate period. Which is the oldest of the Vedas? Rig Veda. Who built Humayun tomb in Delhi? Akbar. Which Sultan built the first canal? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Who issued the first gold coin in India? Indo-Greeks. Who introduced the pure gold coins? Kushans. What is the name of religious book of the Jews? Torah. In which language did Babar write his autobiography? Babarnama. Turkish. Who is the Sikandar's guru? Aristotle. Who was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Ibrahim Lodi. In which state is the battlefield of Plassey located? West Bengal. What is the name of the official currency of the Maurya Empire? Pan. What type of clothes did the people of Indus Valley civilization wear? Woolen and cotton. What was the oldest name of Delhi? Yoginipur. Dinepana, which ruler established his capital? Humayun. Where was the capital of Avanti Mahajanpad? Ujjain. Who is known as the father of guerrilla warfare? Shivaji. What is the symbol of Mahavir Swami? Lion. What was the symbol of Gautam Buddha? Renunciation. Horse. Who was the founder of Dev Samaj? Shri Narayan Agnihotri. What was the symbol of Jain Tirthankar? Rishabdev. Bull. What was the old name of Ujjain? Avantika. What were the ministers called during the Sangam period? Sonorous. During whose regime was the Mahabharata translated into Persian? Akbar. Which revolutionary threw the bomb on Lord Hardinge? Rash Bihari Bose. Who is the author of Takbodhni? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who is called a man of peace? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Birthday was the last. Brahmdev was the last ruler of which dynasty? Brihadarth was the last ruler of which dynasty? Maurya. Brihadarth. Hari Sen's Allahabad citation gives information about which ruler? Samudragupta. Who is known as the father of Ayurveda? Charak. Which Mughal ruler is introduced the coin named Ana? Shah Jahan. Upanishad is related to which subject? Philosophy. Where is the capital of Rashtrakoot dynasty located? Manyakhet. What is the word Purabandar used for in Rigved? Purbandar used for in Rigved. Indra. For Indra, Purbandar is also used. Who was the exponent of the philosophy of justice? Maharishi Gautam. Where is Dhammek Stup located? Sarnath. During whose regime did Mahatma Buddha attain Nirvana? Ajat-Satru. Who was the Maratha general in the third battle of Panipat? Sadashivrao Bhau. When did the third battle of Panipat take place? 1761. Bible is the holy book of which religion? Christian. Kanchipuram was the capital of which king? Kanchipuram. Pallav. In whose court did Ashwaghosh live? Kanishka. Who is the author of Malti Madhav? Bhavbhuti. Which ruler built the iron pillar? Chandragupta II. Where was the fourth Buddhist council held? Kundalwan, Kashmir. Who was the ruler of Magad at the time of the second Buddhist council? Kala Shok. Ajat-Satru, Kala Shok, Ashok, Kanishk. Now understand, Ajat-Satru is the first, Kala Shok second, Ashok third, and Kanishka is the fourth ruler. And now I would like to tell you that your practice, mega practice has been finished. If you will practice this set more than 100 times, more and more time, as far as you will do, I think it is more probable that from these collected questions from various examination, more and more time these questions are repeated in examination, so that please practice more and more, and I think you will get success. You will be succeeded. So all the best. Thank you very much, and share to all your friends.